The pencil tool is one of the most important weapons in an illustrator's toolkit. Creating smooth lines is crucial when delivering a project to a client. Today, I will show you my best methods of creating smooth lines with the pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get into it. Step 1. The pencil tool options is going to be your saving grace. Double click on the pencil tool. The pencil tool options will pop up. This is where you're going to find all your options for the pencil tool, including pencil fidelity, a checkbox for fill new pencil strokes, a checkbox to keep your pattern selected, a checkbox to hold Alt to toggle the smooth tool, and a checkbox to close paths within a specified pixel distance. Last but not least, a checkbox to edit selected paths, and a slider for if and when you check it. Your pencil tool options are your saving grace to ensure accuracy in your projects. These are my settings, feel free to copy them. Play around with these settings to your preferred drawing style. I like to have my closed paths within 14 pixels and my edit selected paths within 2 pixels. This is a mouse-friendly tutorial. Check your mouse settings when drawing to ensure extra crispy lines when using the pencil tool. Draw slow, take time around your corners. You can continue a path by clicking the end of one path, then continue drawing. Bonus tips. You can get extra smooth angles by going to simplify and adjusting your anchor points. Or what I like to do is go to path smooth and drag the slider until it suits my liking. That's how you create smooth lines with the pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you like videos like this, subscribe for more graphic design content. Thank you for watching.